How to make a collage on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make a collage on your Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to make a collage on your Instagram story, you can simply open up the Instagram app here, tap on the your story option here. Now just select any random photo here, it doesn't really matter, right? Once you select any random photo, long press on this, or you can just tap the three dots option there, tap on draw. Select any color that you want to set as your background for your collage, then long press on the image and it will get converted to background. So now you can tap the arrow button. Now we will add our photo one by one, and to add it, tap on the sticker icon from the top of the screen right here. Then once you tap on this little sticker option, here you'll basically see the upload ones, right? So you have to tap the sticker ones and simply type in upload or media option here, and once you do that, you'll be able to add a picture one by one in this case, and as soon as you add those pictures one by one, you'll be able to create a collage on Instagram. This way you'll be able to create a collage on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.